When Sangfor IAM was introduced, many thought that they had discovered the perfect combination of features and benefits to effectively manage their organization. These slides will explain how partnering IAM with NGFW will take your customers to the next level of efficient and productive safety. From our experience with large numbers of customers, there are two common challenges in their daily network operation. The first challenge is regulating user internet behavior and finding a convenient and secure authentication solution while sharing the internet with portable Wi-Fi devices. Users often use proxy tools to avoid any control over or auditing of their behavior. Unchecked users could potentially violate internet regulations or leak confidential information, and without traceable logs to identify the culprit, the organization is at risk of irreparable damage. Ineffective control over the network and end users, which reduces the productivity of IT and staff, is the second largest challenge faced by our customers. Users often abuse the internet for entertainment, affecting key business application performance. Traffic can't be identified and controlled, while the complex troubleshooting process required on an insecure network monopolizes the time and energy of the IT team. If connectivity issues arise, IT is often too busy playing catch-up on getting a full view of the network and user behavior and scanning massive logs for issues. Many IT professionals don't have the skills or experience needed to effectively read and understand complicated logs, with no effective reporting tools to help them generate reports required for network operation. These challenges consume the work hours of most IT administrators. So, how does NGFW really help them with these challenges? First, let's explore what an NGFW really is. A next-generation firewall, or NGFW, combines a traditional firewall with other network device filtering functionalities, like an application firewall, using inline deep packet inspection, or DPI, an intrusion prevention system, or IPS, QoS, or bandwidth management, and antivirus inspection, most of which operate with threat intelligence to defend against known and unknown threats. Clearly, the main function of an NGFW is to secure and defend business assets and protect users, but it is less helpful in management of user behavior, improved productivity, and help with legal compliance. Here is a comparison chart of the features provided by IAM and NGFW. You can see that IAM focuses on network management, while NGFW provides professional security protection. The common features that both products provide are basic application control, basic URL filtering, and basic authentication methods like AD and Radius integration. With regards to network management, IAM provides granular control features like auditing of user behavior for risk assessment, proxy mode for secured internet access, and granular application control, including anti-proxy tools, which makes all users' traffic visible and controllable. Flexible and convenient authentication methods are also provided for both office staff and guest authentication. When introducing NGFW, no one introduces the management features first. I think most of you know it's all about security like IPS, WAF antivirus, ransomware, and even a bit of anti-spam, with the threat intelligence required to defend against known and unknown threats. It's quite clear that these two products have very specific advantages in different areas. Some IT administrators may think that they can protect users and the network with just the basic NGFW features. But is this really true? We know that enabling the application-based features will lead to a dramatic performance drop of the NGFW, losing management features, control over the network, and the security protections in place to monitor the network and users. To make up for this drop in performance, you must deploy a higher level appliance to meet your requirements, which is surely not a best practice. Recently, Sangfor introduced the Capability Maturity Model, or CMM, which was originally developed as a tool for objectively assessing the ability of government contractors' processes to implement a contracted software project, and now has been adopted for many disciplines, including IT governance and security. To summarize, the model has 5 different levels to assess the capability maturity of your network management. You will be surprised to find that companies with thousands of employees are commonly assessed as reaching only level 2. To fix this problem, first, you need to identify which level your organization occupies. As the business grows, every organization requires more effective support and more secured system to avoid risk, improve productivity, and move your management and security protection to the next level. As you can see from the model, a security protection upgrade is often required to achieve more effective protection and management. An NGFW isn't enough protection on its own. An SWG, which is required to reach level 3, helps to dramatically improve productivity and legal compliance. As an SWG product, how does Sangfor IAM help? NGFW provides separate application layer features like application identification, URL filtering, and bandwidth management, while IAM provides end-to-end user lifecycle management, which helps IT administrators understand user behaviors and the network, enabling them to take proactive action against potential risk. The first step of identification is the most important and fundamental for effective control later in the process. IAM provides a built-in application and URL database, which is optimized for localized applications in each separate region. IAM can identify different types of endpoints and exercise control over those endpoints. Flexible authentication methods like Facebook, Line, WeChat, and SMS provide a better experience for users and guests. When the network is accessed, all user traffic can be monitored and visualized, as well as the channel status and ranking of users and applications. This makes it easy to tell which applications are affecting business-critical functions, while the bandwidth control engine maximizes the available bandwidth, improving staff productivity. The traffic can also be separated into local traffic and international traffic, reducing the cost of international bandwidth. With superior visualization of traffic and users, control of the system and endpoints is easier and quicker. Control policies are always business-oriented, designed to control non-business related traffic and guarantee core business applications. More granular control over upload and download from the internet drive and improved SaaS application control makes all traffic visible and manageable. The AI-powered anti-malware engine, Engine Zero, and integrated cloud threat intelligence provides unmatched security protection for users. The audit features log all user internet access, while the business intelligence platform analyzes logs using deep learning and big data analytics. Keyword-based analytics can identify potential risk in user behavior, as the comprehensive traffic reports help you understand the bandwidth status. The one-stop troubleshooting center makes network diagnosis easier, allowing you to see the entire network status at a glance. End-to-end user lifecycle management and the big data analytics platform help make decision-making more accurate with comprehensive analytics reports. Now, there's no need to wait for user complaints to discover your internet bandwidth line needs to be extended. You can easily predict traffic patterns and plan out your bandwidth usage. In addition, risk reporting helps the organization understand more about traffic and user behavior, allowing IT to take more proactive action to avoid issues, while policy adjustment can be done and set more accurately based on what resources are available. In short, IAM makes big decision-making more informed, quicker, and easier. Here is a case of one customer who benefited from both Sangfor NGFW and IAM. The University of the East, also known as UE, and founded in 1946, is a private university located in Manila in the Philippines. UE is one of the largest universities in the Philippines. They had several campuses in Manila and Caloocan, but only the Manila campus had a server, main web page system, portal system, enrollment system, and library system. The other campus needed to access the Manila campus data center to take advantage of any educational or business resources. They were challenged to find a solution to prevent ransomware attacks that their traditional protection system was incapable of protecting against. UE was worried about potential threat to their data and confidential information and documents. To manage and monitor all the user internet traffic, UE planned to place a high-performance proxy system in their network. Sangfor provided NGFW with holistic and real-time protection and clear, easy-to-understand reporting to help UE easily tackle their security issues. IAM provided application control and proxy service, allowing UE to gain granular control over user behavior and using the comprehensive reports as an effective tool for understanding the network. Sangfor IAM innovations provide simplified network management, improved work productivity, and turns IT expenditure into revenue. Thank you for watching and learning a bit about IAM and NGFW and protecting enterprises from end to end with Sangfor.